Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Palagi Show.
Good
and
morning,
thanks
good
to
morning.
Punjas, what you call that?
Zeera Bites, quality products from Punjas Biscuits.
Right.
You feel hungry, Mika?
Yeah, hungry. Because in the morning like this, when we leave home early morning, we will be hungry.
Okay.
Very good morning, morning to you too, Eleanor and
Good morning.
and Messi.
Missing ko rin daw kito. Penalty.
And also, very good morning to those tuning in this morning on Palagi Show.
Alright.
On any place, wherever you are, we are this morning. Thank you for those tuning in on VDFM Facebook
Okay.
Live, and also those tuning in on VDFM YouTube channel,
Julum.
and all those tuning in on VDFM TikTok.
Right.
A very good morning to you. Double tap, my brother. Double tap.
Double tap.
And not forgetting the people are joining now from the radio 92.2 FM
Right.
from Esana levu ambala utoka suba na itasiri na usori levu kamaduata.
Okay.
92
Yeah.
Batao na nanronga bosa singa toka sana da kaun robe sa sabu
Right.
and atulaw.
Right.
92.6 Raki Tailevu 92.4 Serua this morning.
Very good morning.
92.8 in Taveuni.
Yes.
Julum.
OMG, I just can't believe it. Okay, a very good morning to those tuning in the bus. Rabi Estate, Mbula Benaka to Tale, Leah, Elijah, and Maria Sau. Thank you so much for... Huh?
Sabu and also to Aaron Subia.
Why you write the Sau there?
The misbelonging.
Oh, you
The
misplaced
absenteism of
Yeah.
the V.
misplaced the V.
Yeah. And also to the BBM Black Heron from they are prepared for the Lambasa 7.
Right.
Binabalebu from the joining this morning.
Okay.
And this afternoon.
All right. Not afternoon.
From some place there afternoon today.
All right. Very good morning to all the staff of Valley Level Max Value staff.
Right.
Especially to Inise. Very good morning to Inise, the produce department,
Hi.
and Rosa, the cashier. Alumita, Lika department, Maliki, and variety department. Kilisimere, Rento Kill, and also
Good morning.
Aleta, their supervisor. A very, very good morning to you.
Okay. Rubeni kay Randio se kobe sa kewalu. To se bata korita mana tamainanda iwan nang inakambe ang ganga they are joining this morning. Good morning. And new
Morning.
Hey.
Good morning.
Yowana Vangi Nakambea is tuning in all the way from where?
Benechare.
Benechare.
Yeah, is joining too this morning.
I say good morning to all the drivers.
My.
Tuning in this morning.
Right.
Another day of work.
Right.
Dotala sing ni Vilnius. Baru
Right.
ni bina kalebo kem ni katsara. Nandrebe ni bito lili nindo batubul to kamay.
Yeah.
Namata kabinaka inday.
Yeah, a very good morning to Simeli Mbari and also Rupeni Mbulabo and Benejare Demsa Hanre Miao. Thank you so much for tuning in. And also our mothers who are
Yes.
still sleeping at the moment because it's still holiday.
Mama,
Yeah.
wake up.
Why?
The time is 7:37.
I think,
We are close to the momentum of the breakfast this
A
morning.
very good morning to Tunisia
Diswalski.
Diswalski, Mula Benaka and Tulia Mbongi ni Soko. Thank you so much. UN Immigration Ngango.
Daun bula.
Tama ni Paulo Setareki Mundu binabalik sarna siya mamay. The function in the village at the moment during
Yes.
Now the
this
function. Now, if you see the breakfast is late, you
Right.
can see the breakfast in the face.
Yeah.
That means you see the flour in front of somebody and
Alright.
see the powder in
Yeah.
front of someone.
Yeah.
When you see someone in somebody, that
Right.
means the ears is come to separate from one another.
Yeah.
When you see the water inside the flour, you
Yeah.
see some face in someone.
Right.
So you will prepare for something.
Right.
It's going to happen this morning.
Blessed day and everybody on the week ahead.
Yes.
I want to say good morning to my friend.
Who's?
This one, Vidau.
Yeah.
Vidau is tuning all the way from the hut in Lautoka.
Oh!
This one is the one that won the $100.
Oh, Julum. Yes, together.
During
Congratulations.
the 6 to 7 p.m. top 100
Right.
of 2024.
Go.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning, my
Yeah.
brother.
Okay.
Okay, what's the story?
The story is about the air is separated from one another.
Okay, my.
Kasi ang bakibo, the 2024 is no more belonging to the family of the 2025.
Right.
2025 is rising.
Is
We
you.
all know this is a festive season. People
Okay.
coming together.
Yes.
Afko company ndo mbula minakabe etu atiseru.
Right.
Gabo.
Yeah.
New South Wales, Australia, double level to South.
Right.
So this fella was there.
Yeah.
He was planning to go for another tipu.
Tap-taps.
Wala ka talaga kanimbure. Congratulations, we want to say dedicate this song to all the Kanaimbure.
Right.
Thank you very much for being there. Thank you, and thank you.
Kanaimbure finish.
Hooray!
Yeah, how was that song go?
That song got that Tebu Tebu.
Right. Yeah.
The Tebu Tebu, they went to, but they are two.
To what?
Two festive.
Okay.
Rotuna songo.
Okay.
One for the Tebu Tebu. And the second one is for burying.
Funeral.
Funeral.
Okay, funeral.
Vembulu.
Right.
So they separated.
Yeah.
So
Some go here, some go there.
yeah.
Right.
So
there.
the boy,
Yeah.
the boy was taking the movement. Kaya kau tahu kau songo ni
Marama.
songo ni marama.
The tap-taps.
He is the
Representative.
Yeah, he is a representative.
Right.
He's a movement. Kau tahu kau ni lawan kaya.
Right.
He going to stabilize.
Right.
Malay Bakatambora. Stabilize the movement. Kau tahu kau Malay Bakatambora kau ni lawan kau sibu.
Lepo ka na mo na balik mo lang.
Symbolize.
Yeah.
So when they went there,
Yeah.
so he is not he is a singular. Kau singular lah.
Not plural.
Plural kau ada bahasa bosa. Vocabulary.
Yeah.
So he is a singular.
Right.
He looking for somebody because one of the tabale from the same village.
Right.
He is a mentally linker.
Okay.
Kau boss in Korea.
Okay.
He knows very well it's a village of the beautiful lady, the girl of the century.
Right.
Era, dapat tu making na ngonele ore toka. So he managed to go.
Okay.
Because of the mental linker of this fella, the well-managed, sama na numuto darmongo, he wants to be there to take one women from there to married.
Okay, since it's a festive season, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
He was planning to go there. As soon as he entered the mola, as soon as they enter, on the right, there is a kitchen hand.
Oh, kitchen.
Tukina na randa ni basanga. So when you see the kitchen again, one girl there.
Okay.
Beautiful duck, mbuninga. Beautiful duck there. So the fella after the representative, he distinguish. He wants one cup of tea. Gonna bangangkar tahu ya bungo. As soon as
Eye contact.
When he eye contact the women, the women there was decorated enough.
Lipstick.
Hukutin ko tuwa binaka. Lipstick. Sandubam. Dettol.
Right.
And everything. The cosmetic of life was been there.
Right.
Awak, move this one.
Hey, man. This is my list.
So he was there, he was talking. Okay, hi, my name is
Right.
Your name is
Right.
So
you know me, I know you.
I know you. What's your name? My name is
Right.
And your name? My name is
Yeah.
So we can Ero sabi pa mataltaki? We meron
Right.
salah ko eh.
Yeah.
They go and date. Far away from the home.
Oi.
So there is a seawall.
Under the moonlight.
No moonlight coming.
Oh.
This is about the starting. The moonlight will coming after the still day. They date in the day. So they went like the afternoon 6 p.m. They went far behind.
Right.
From the seesaw.
Eyo.
But in Waitui, there is a plenty coconut tree. Plenty coconut tree. So when he came back, he telling the story to the tabale after the date. Boy, you know what? Very beautiful village you mentally link.
Oi.
Napuno boss kino ko.
Oh, that's after the date.
After the date.
Oi.
So when they come together, he said the story to the tabale. Oh, it's very. Oh, you know what? It's very good. I want to tell you something. Whose girl is staying in the house beside the kura tree?
The buningawan.
Buningawan menga. Who's the house close to the kura tree?
Alumita.
Alumita. You know
that one.
That one with the duckling.
Iliw.
With the duckling. Kutibang buninga. Atuno ka. Iyo, that's like my sister. Oh, that one is Matabale. I talk to that one. This is the number. We date. But one thing,
Yeah.
it's a very good place, very beautiful girl.
Beautiful beaches.
Yeah.
Oh, so.
Yeah, very beautiful beaches there.
Sandy beaches.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
plenty coconut tree on the side of the sea.
Right.
Very beautiful coconut.
Very beautiful coconut too.
Yeah. One
So,
thing.
come. One thing there.
Yeah.
But, when we go there,
Yeah.
very beautiful menace in the daytime.
Yeah.
In the nighttime, plenty coconut tree. But one thing I've noticed,
Right.
one coconut fall on me during one date.
Yeah.
During one date. Then from there, sangay tuno kaya sangay badar dera to nono kornipo so tabalena.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. No, tabale. You know what?
Yeah.
Why you dating in the seesaw?
Yeah.
The coconut might fall on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, the coconut might fall on me.
Yeah.
But one coconut would fall on me.
Yeah.
Atu kono ko sa pichi.
One coconut follow me.
Follow me. The one coconut was fall on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, because plenty coconut there. No, tabale.
Yeah.
This coconut not fall on top.
Yeah.
Was fall from the sideways.
Yeah.
But it's coconut husk.
But this coconut already has.
Yeah, semerang ako ya.
Yeah.
Tabale, ndo na muna binakan daw bikoy taga na kenang ngonela. Totok na bimalwe berdo mundo ule ni nanum korni basu.
Yeah.
Iyon doang anak ka.
Yeah.
Elutumeu na niu nambongnya.
Yeah.
Iyo balatanga ni ibu na binyu sebero kwa senga tabale.
Yeah.
Kona niu ko lutumengo.
Yeah.
Elutume bambamba. Iya sasua otitu.
Laundi rigori.
Webe butu ni sana.
Don't mess with coconuts.
Yeah.
Don't mess with us, gang.
Yeah. Tuga last one.
Right.
Binabale buah Punjas Zeera Bites. Quality product from Punjas Biscuits.
Nabalebu. Okay?
Come.
Thank you so much sabi ano na katalang abe mili selala bingoy ko baka
Oy, mbuy nga oy ko.
buy ngaoy ko.
Oh, binabale mili.
Nabalebu. Mbulo ni dia ba na bosa ba no ni bina kutiani andro chikan ngangwa andro naka na coach means capti. Oh, that coach means
Kapkat.
kapkat sanji na. Jolen tua.
Kapati.
Kapati ndo mbula re. Mano ni bina kutiani. Nabalebu sara.
Yan raya benaka, nabalem na sarumay.
Mula sar cukumayan mata
Niya
kami
benaka.
na kuwa.
Iya.
Kita kena ni ni bodo lebu story kan. Una
Mela na lebu.
na ouch Palagi show.
Right.
Na mata kani ko. Keni se mutal nga na monichi.
Right.
Mata talanga na monichi.
Ginasara.
Na yang baki ngor no dolo rosa ngabuluka 5.
5.